Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Today we have continued our upside momentum, or sorry, I should mention last night, but during today's trading session we have come under a slight amount of pressure, down at 4,269. I had a sell position here on the S&P 500 with a stop loss. Where was the stop loss? It was all the way up at 4,280, and during today's trading session, okay, we had a high of 4,279.3, so we were 0.7 points away from hitting my stop loss. But as you can see, we have now paired some of those gains, and we currently find ourselves trading 10 points lower. So this is good for my short position. I shorted the S&P 500 up at 4,240 with a take profit down near the 50-day EMA at 4,200. So you could argue that we would need a miracle here for us to close this trade out in profit, but it remains to be open. So I will continue to hold it open to see what happens here. But I'm still up 7.39% since I started this challenge with $10,000 last week. So that's $739 profit. So even if I did lose, I think how much would I lose here if it hit my stop loss? I'll lose 2.5% on my account balance, so $250. That would only take me down to still being up 5% overall. So I can't afford to lose this trade. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully it does turn around and go and trigger my take profit. So I will continue to be patient here and hold that stop loss. Why am I shorting the S&P 500? Well, that's because the RSI is telling us that we're overextended in the short run. We're also at historically a very bearish time of the year. At the end of June, markets, especially the S&P 500, does see some volatility towards the downside. However, this year that hasn't really been the case. We've sparked a nice rally from that 4,150 area. So it looks to me that this year it may be different. But I'm going to continue to hold this short position. So make sure you tune in going into tomorrow's trading session to see whether that trade has actually gone ahead and recovered some of its losses, or gone up and triggered my stop loss.